Fires can happen from many causes: electrical fixtures, appliances, lightning, and sometimes carelessness. It doesn't matter how it starts, and it doesn't matter how big or small. Your customer is devastated and cannot imagine what to do next. Rainbow International, we are not just your cleaning specialist. Our first job is to reassure the homeowner and explain how we will help get them back in their homes. We use the latest in cleaning techniques. Both structure and contents can be cleaned better than ever, saving more of your customers' irreplaceable belongings. In our cleaning room, we can clean contents with ultrasonic, steam, or just old-fashioned elbow grease. Whether it's grandma's fine china or little sissy's favorite toy, we use the process best suited for the item we are cleaning.